Okay, so to start our foundation double crochet, we do 4 chains, 3 for height and 1 to work into. We're going to yarn over, insert our hook into that first chain, and then we're going to pull up a loop. So yarn over, pull up a loop, then we're going to create the foundation chain of our foundation double crochet. So yarn over and pull through just that first loop. There's our foundation chain. Now we have 3 loops left like a regular double crochet, and we're going to work off 2 at a time. So yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the second 2. Then we're going to go back into that foundation chain that we just created, those 2 V's. Oop, I forgot to yarn over again. I always forget to yarn over. Go back into that foundation chain, pull up a loop. Now we're going to create another foundation chain. So if we look this way, we can see the foundation chain coming right up from the last one. And then we're going to yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the second 2. So now we've got 2 stitches. Go back into that foundation chain we just made, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first one to make your next foundation chain, yarn over, pull through the first 2, pull through the second 2. So normal speed, it's going to look something like this. The hardest part is getting into that foundation chain at the bottom. And just remember, you're making a foundation chain and then you're making a double crochet. So this is the super fast stitch refresher for the foundation double crochet. If you need a slower, more in-depth video, head over to my foundation double crochet video, and thank you for watching.